Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can change plan on Netflix. Well, it's quite easy. So all you have to do is open your Netflix application on your device. So after doing that, here make sure that you are logged into your account and then open the desired profile. So after doing that, currently here you can see we are on the homepage of Netflix. In order to change your plan, you'll have to now tap on your profile option right here. Then you can tap on the menu bar right here. After doing that, tap on account. Then here you can see all of the membership details. So you can scroll all the way down. You can tap on the option cancel membership. After doing that, here you'll get 3 different options from which you'll have to tap on change plan. After doing that, here you can say it says that you'll have to copy this link and then search this link on the browser. So all you have to do is tap on copy link and then go back, then open any kind of browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. And in here, all you have to do is simply paste the URL that you copied from Netflix, just like this, and then search. And in here, you can see this is the particular page that Netflix has given you in order to change your plan. And then from here, you can now choose which plan that you want to change to. So currently here you can see we are on the standard with ads. If you want to select the standard without the ads, you can tap on it. And you can also see the monthly price also changes according to the plan. Here you can also tap on the premium if you want. You can choose which plan you want to change to, and all you have to do is tap on continue. So after tapping on continue, if you have already added your card on your Netflix account, you'll be able to go with the further process of purchase. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.